to my channel. Michael and I are back for the second day in a row because yesterday we tried to film this video and it was kind of a fail. Okay, it was all perfect up until the end. What is this? What is that? Y'all, are you kidding me right now? All right.
Yours looks like a galaxy.
Mine's kind of galaxy vibes. I was looking for glitter, y'all, but I couldn't find any glitters. Okay, so, como que se aplastó this one. I don't really know.
Ooh.
It really was messing with me. First of all, I already wasn't feeling well,
Yeah.
and then I wasn't able to make the bread, and it just kind of like really like just kind of put me in a weird place. But we're back today, and we are determined to make the TikTok cloud bread.
I don't know how we messed up 3 ingredients, but we did. But we're
I don't know. I think it's I don't know. We're gonna try and see, and then I'm gonna show you guys where we think we went wrong. But we made 3 of them, and it was such a hot ass mess. How? I followed all the directions. We're gonna go ahead and do it. So are you ready?
Let's do it.
All right. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. And if you guys are ready to watch your girl cook, bake, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so we're gonna start off with 3 egg whites. Wow, we're off to a good start. Okay.
Isn't it crazy how like you felt really bad yesterday?
Yeah, I really didn't feel good, you guys.
And I'm glad that I sent her up to her room and I was just like, take a nap and you'll feel better. She was like, her nose was plugged up and everything. So she got up still feeling a little tough, a little rough.
So we got pizza.
So I told her, let's go get your favorite pizza. And all of a sudden her nose wasn't running.
Shut up.
She like
that
she even
true.
got the keys. She never grabbed the keys to get, she drove. It was crazy. I couldn't believe it. I really couldn't believe it.
I swear.
She made the phone call, like...
The way that I'm opening this egg is really not making it seem like I ever baked.
Oh my god, what the heck is that?
Now we're gonna go ahead and zzz it just till it's bubbly. We're gonna do, oh, this is half. We're gonna do about 3 teaspoons. Okay.
3 teaspoons. I'm just making sure.
Apparently, you have to put like 10 grams of sugar or 30 grams of sugar for it to give you the accurate, because I was on Google like, what's a gram? You know what I mean? And it just kind of like threw me all over the place. And everybody on TikTok keeps talking about grams, and I'm like, that's great, but I need to know how many cups. Let me know how many where can I measure it? I don't see grams on here. You know what I mean?
Oh my god.
I mean, I know all the bakers are gonna be like, what? But okay, so we're gonna do about 2.5 because it's like 2.40 of tablespoons of sugar. So that's where we went wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my 2.4 tablespoons of sugar.
2.4, and the oven's ready. We set it at 300 Fahrenheit. That might sound so commercial.
Then we're gonna put 1.33, whatever that is. And now we're just gonna go ahead and okay,
bring it over. Bring
Michael
it
wants a swirl, so we're gonna go ahead and
different colors.
If you want a swirl, then you want to do it after.
After?
Yeah.
So after the mix.
When this, because otherwise how are you gonna swirl it if you're gonna mix everything?
Blue or green? Blue is my favorite color, so we go blue. Right?
I would probably only do 1 if it was just me, but because we're a team.
I didn't know how like permanent food coloring was.
You just made it black.
What did you do?
Because of your mix.
Don't mix it no more. Just like a quick, now put it on there already. Like mix it on here.
No, it was supposed to be a swirl, not dots. This looks hella like 4th of July.
Put it on here already because you're gonna mix so much that it's gonna...
I'm trying to... Can you let me?
Oh my god, because yesterday that's what she did.
No, yesterday you added strawberries and marshmallows and it melted and it didn't work.
It's because, the marshmallow.
The marshmallow.
I'm sure it was the strawberry.
It was a marshmallow. Because I told them, yeah, because how was it? It wouldn't have kept its consistency.
Why not?
Because it's melted marshmallow. It didn't work. Look at how nice that looks.
Okay, guys, so what you do is you bring it to the end first, and then you put the dots. So you can just you know, take it off and splatter it on the
Okay, so
sheet.
here you go. You guys saw what I did? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and dump it all out. We're kind of like smashing it here.
Well, don't mix it too much.
Okay, like this, just kind of like a blob. I
I
kind of
want
like this cloud vibes.
Well, hold on.
Can you zoom it in? I mean, can you focus it?
I want a real
Cloud vibes.
Okay, let's do it.
It's really easy to make, so we can make our own. This is why we decided to make our own yesterday, because then Mike will be trying to just, the simplicity. There's some things are just meant to be simple. Simple. So we set it to 300 degrees.
Show my cowboy blue oven. Show my cowboy blue oven.
I mean,
it kind of
to
looks
be
purple.
fair, it's a little more purple.
No,
so
it's
let's
not.
not go ahead and toot our own horns.
Look at it.
It's a little purple.
Look at the camera shows a little purple, but in real life, it's that cowboy
In real
blue.
life, it looks just like in the camera.
No, it doesn't. You're lying.
You guys, it's like blue, but like actually it's purple.
All right, let's get it.
Alright guys, so it's been 25 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out now. Looking really spongy, but this is how it looked yesterday. So let's see. Okay.
It looks nice.
Okay, it looks nice, but so did yesterday's. Yesterday's looked immaculate, incredible, amazing, cute.
Wow.
Oh, there it
You're
is. I
ahead
might
of
have
the
taken it like 30 seconds out earlier. Alright, so that's what it looks like.
I was just kind of lazy
Should we
to
just
bring
wait?
the camera over here.
Yeah, I know. I
It just
felt
wasn't
that.
gonna happen.
I felt that energy of you. Okay, so you guys, if this works, I'm gonna go ahead and make another matcha one right now. It's gonna be like a quick little zoom, zoom, zoom. Yesterday, the consistency was so soft that it was gross. The texture is grossing me out. It kind of looks like a giant cookie. All right, so we're gonna see. This is a moment of truth to see what it looks like.
Go for it.
Okay, there we go. Yes, we got it. Woo!
Finally.
Hella 4th of July vibes.
I love it.
All right, let's see.
Okay.
I mean,
Smells like huevos for sure.
I thought it was low-key, I thought it was gonna taste like angel cake, but it doesn't. I love angel cake, by the way. Angel cake is so good.
It's a fun texture. So yesterday I tried
It's a little
marshmallows.
bit on the verge of being gross, to be honest, because that's how soft it is.
And we give you guys the most honest review.
Well, I always do. Sometimes Mike will be hyping it up a little bit, but
Not bad, honestly. A kid would have fun with this.
a kid would have fun with it, but it's definitely not like, oh my god, you know what I'm craving? That cloud cake. Like,
It's fun. It's a fun, like,
it's a fun
task.
when you do it right.
It's a fun task you can do with your family. I think it would be fun.
I kind of want to make the matcha one. We're gonna make
Right
the
now?
matcha one.
Right now?
¿Sino cuándo? ¿Mañana?
Right, let's do it.
Like, the texture is just so cloudy. It literally is very cloudy that it's a little weird.
It's cool.
Ay, ya me cansé de cocinar. So literally it's the same exact thing that we did, except for I added a teaspoon of matcha.
All right, y'all.
Okay.
Matcha attempt number 2.
It smells matcha-y for sure. I like it. I like the consistency, it's fun. Okay, ya, 25 minutos. I don't know. This looks exactly like the one yesterday. Alright, so in an instant, it got like flat. But it's still very puffy. I don't know if maybe it was just, like, you see how it is still like very cloudy. But I wonder if because of the matcha maybe? Maybe it just has to be like exact. It's so soft, it's weird.
Was there a little crunch that I heard? Scoot over, please.
This one's actually way better than the other one.
As far as taste?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's
It's
good.
like sweet, but it has some flavor.
Yeah.
It's so soft, it's a little weird. Honestly,
This is better. This one's better.
Better help.
If you like
This
matcha-
one, if you like matcha, I would recommend. The other one, I feel like no tiene flavor. But I feel because of the matcha, this one got a little more aplastado quicker.
Yeah. So I have another video locked and loaded.
You do?
Yeah.
What is it?
I can't tell. We can't say that thing.
What is it?
I'm excited about it. And if you guys know me, and if you guys been day ones, you know my favorite dessert. So.
That's gonna be a good one, you guys. I'm excited for that one. It's gonna be good.
I'm gonna dream about it.
Hopefully, probably this week. If not next week, for sure. I think that pretty much wraps up today.
That sums it up.
My self-esteem definitely kind of like went up because yesterday I was feeling like a loser, man.
And fellas, if you're watching, you know your girl's acting sick and all that, just like tell them, let's go get some food. Let me take you to your favorite spot, and I promise you they'll get better. Just like that. And
I
just
can't
buy them a little 7-Up.
because listen, even because I wasn't faking and I actually was feeling sick, it didn't make me feel better. So you know what? Actually, yes, do that. Do that. Knock it out. Go. You want to you want to go online and go on Foot Locker, go on Nike and be like, hey, boo, you want to get yourself some shoes? Like that could work too. You know what I mean? Is it going to take away the sickness? No, but is it going to make her feel better?
Vice versa. Vice versa.
But you were not the one who was sick, so.
But I might be sick tomorrow.
Well, we're going to take you to get your favorite food. We're going to make the video that you wanted us to make. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. And I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, our little taste test. It was a mega fail yesterday, but it was not a mega fail today. So always try again, guys, because you never know. The second time, you might do better.
Thank you guys for your patience, and patience comes again and teaches us another lesson. All right, let's go.
Enough motivational. So anyways, love you guys so much, and we will talk to you guys next time.